welcome to my channel. If you are new, then thank you so much for clicking on today's video. Today we're going to be tackling my living room. As you can see, we have quite the mess, and to be honest, it's been like this for the past few days. It was just 4th of July weekend, so I did just remove my 4th of July decor, and it's been like this ever since because my husband had the day off and we were just hanging out and having family time. So anyways, today we are going to be tackling this living room, and I'm also going to be using and showing you my new APOSEN handheld vacuum. I'm so excited to be sharing that with you, so let's get started. Okay, and this is the APOSEN handheld cordless vacuum. I'm so excited. We are gonna open it, and I think it might need to be charged, guys. So this is the way it comes, very nicely packaged, very secure, and let's get it out. Show you the box. It looks like this, and you can use it like this, and I'm going to show you other ways you can use it, but it comes in this nicely packaged box. Alrighty guys, here is the vacuum. It is super lightweight, not heavy at all, very easy, and it has one setting, two settings, and it's very powerful. You can twist and it comes undone. You can see your filters right there, and it pops. You can also click this right here and you can throw your trash out. And as you can see right there, we do have, sorry about that, we do have a few attachments that come with the vacuum, even a little brush cleaner, and then the other attachments. So awesome. It comes charged. We're gonna set this in the stand like this, and it's gonna charge. So let's go ahead and do that. Alrighty guys, as you can see, it is charging, currently charging. We have 3 lights. One is blinking, which means it is not fully charged yet. So as you can see right here, it says when battery light is flashing, turn off the device and charge it. And then when charging, 3 lights are on gradually, and 3 says when it is fully charged, all 3 lights would be on at the same time. So as you can see right here, it is not charged all the way. We're gonna give it a little time before we start using it. Meanwhile, let's get this living room cleaned up.
Guess I'm just too scared to settle down. There'd be many nights I got too high and almost left town. But there's something about you, something about you I like, about you I like. I get too drunk and too scared and lie to you. If only you knew I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better, nobody loves me better.
Alrighty guys, so we are going to be using this attachment, and it looks like this. so we can clean under the couches and on top. So let's get started. Alrighty guys, change of plans. We're gonna go ahead and use this one because it has a softer bristle and it's not gonna scratch up my couch. With that comes off, but I don't want it to be all like that. So we're gonna go ahead and use this one because this one is softer. As you can see, it has these softer bristles. So we're gonna go ahead and use this one. So let's get started.
I would die for you. One of us gotta say the obvious. Nobody loves me better. Nobody loves me better.
Wide awake is the way that you left me. Side by side in your car in the backseat. Wide awake is the way that you left me. Oh. Here back at your house, and I keep fading into the background. I'm wide awake now, you keep missing out for sure. Let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me. In my bed 5 to 12, wish I could sleep. Dream about all the ways you could reach me, but now you keep missing out on me, that's for sure. Take down your walls and let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. Yeah, brick by brick, now let me, ooh, ooh, ooh. I wanna be right there by your side. I wanna be there, won't you be mine? Take down your walls and let me, yeah, brick by brick, now let me. Won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Won't you be mine? Wide awake is the way that I wanna be by your side. I wanna be by your side. Gonna stay in this moment. Gonna lay here on the grass. I don't need to feel lonely. I am fine.
Alrighty guys, this is how much came out of my couches and my carpet. I'm gonna dump it out in a second. It's so easy. Like I said, you can use this and just throw everything out, but I have it charging right now. So easy to use, perfect for car seats, for your car, for drawers, for under your couch. I even did my small area rug and it worked really good. And I just love that you pop it on here and it charges. So it works amazing. I highly recommend you getting one. We all need a cordless handheld vacuum, and this one from APOSEN is so good.